Hey guys, want to avoid overweight baggage fees? Here are 5 of the best luggage scales to help you pack smart. 1. Itexity Digital Hanging Luggage Scale. This one's a fan favorite, and for good reason. The Itexity scale is known for its accuracy and simplicity. It features a clear backlit LCD screen that makes reading easy in any lighting, and it's compact enough to toss into your carry-on. A handy auto-off function saves battery life, and some versions include a temperature sensor, a small but useful bonus when traveling with temperature-sensitive items. It's affordable, durable, and a solid all-around pick for casual and frequent travelers alike. 2. Travel Inspira Digital Luggage Scale. If portability matters to you, the Travel Inspira delivers. Its sleek, ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold, even when weighing bulky suitcases. It offers precise digital readings and comes with a built-in tape measure, so you can also check your bag's dimensions. A big help when flying with airlines that have strict size limits. Lightweight and stylish, it's a great companion for anyone who travels light but smart. 3. Free2 Digital Luggage Scale. Free2 puts a focus on rugged build and user comfort. The rubberized grip ensures a secure hold, especially useful when weighing heavier bags. It offers quick and accurate readings on a large digital display, and it's engineered to withstand the wear and tear of regular travel. Travelers appreciate its consistency and dependability. Whether you're packing for vacation or business, this one has you covered. 4. Terrace Jetsetter Digital Luggage Scale. If you're looking for something more premium, the Terrace Jetsetter stands out. Made from tough materials with high-precision sensors, it provides super accurate readings every time. It's incredibly lightweight and doesn't take up much space in your bag. One of its standout features? A lifetime warranty, showing real confidence from the brand. Ideal for travelers who want precision, durability, and peace of mind. 5. Samsonite Luggage Scale. From one of the most recognized names in travel, the Samsonite scale is built to impress. The digital version offers easy-to-read displays and consistent accuracy, while the manual version is great for travelers who want a no-battery, no-fuss option. The manual scale uses a simple spring-loaded needle, perfect for those who appreciate analog simplicity. Whichever version you choose, you're backed by the quality and reputation of Samsonite. Thanks for watching. If this helped you travel a little smarter, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. Safe travels, and see you in the next one.